Hello everybody, I'm Miko Sanchez. Welcome to day 73 of the Cape Coral Journal. And this is going to be exciting, I know. Because it helps me a lot. Oh, I got the hiccups. It hurts me. No, I got the hiccups. Like in the house, Jess. That's okay, we'll get to this together. We just had 3 new videos and a live stream yesterday. After 1 month absent, the Endless Monster Show is back with a new episode. We just played Balderdash. Pistachio won immunity, and Grumpkin was eliminated. Sunny made her return to the competition. So what's going to happen in episode 8? Let's tune in next time to find out. Also, 3 new videos have dropped. We just had a new episode of Logo Hitsumoshi. It was about Dollar General. So you haven't seen it yet, watch it right now. The next episode will be our season finale. So don't miss it. It is our season finale of Logo Hitsumoshi, so don't miss it. Plus, then also on Raptio 0407's Logo History Told, we just had a new episode yesterday. It was about 5 action. Next episode will be LMN. So stay tuned for it. And then on Logo History Showdown, we just had M&M's versus Skittles. Next episode will be CBBC versus CITV. So do not miss it. On Samuel Supremacy, we're gonna have Peta Pizza versus Cinnamon Roll, and we have a new story coming out on Moshi Sleep Story Reactions. It'll be Pops, Cherry Bomb, and the Little Ditty Bird. That's told by Sid Kin Wild. a new narrator. I can't believe it, my friends. We're gonna get into it when we get there. And guess what? More great news! I have reached 3,300 subscribers, so thank you so much! We could have done it without all of you. Now, we began the road. We began the road to 3,400 subscribers. So, please subscribe right now. With that being said, don't forget to leave a like and help channel if you hate it. Leave a dislike, share with your friends, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the notification to try to miss a new video or live stream for free. As again, this channel is on the road to 3,400 subscribers. Yes, we're on the road to 3,400. So please subscribe right now. Otherwise, that's it for today. Thank you again for watching. I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow for day 74 of the Cape Coral Journal. I'm going to Sanchez signing off. Like, fair, subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Laters.